It totally is. Oh no, Jinu, I feel sick!
No! Rumi!
Help! Somebody help me! Ah!
Gross. Clean up, Rumi.
But it was an accident! Calm down, Rumi.
I can help you. Let's go.
Oh no. Here.
Using the tweezers, let's remove all the insects. Hey, they are so messy. Ew, there are a lot of them. And perfect. His face is full of ripe pimples. Try acne cream. We're gonna apply this on the pimples. Q-tips. We're gonna apply this on the pimples.
La la la.
And then we're gonna rub it. You can relax, Rumi.
And we're done. Your face is now pimple-free.
Ew, blackheads.
I hate this. Calm down, Rumi. There she is. I like it.
Let's begin. Next up, done.
Some flowers. Sound. Yippee!
Yes!
Yoo-hoo! All right!
We just have to wait.
Wow, all clear. Flowers. Aw, so pretty.
Perfect!
Wait, what's this?
Under eye masks, too.
Ah,
Let's use our money.
awesome.
Good.
A banana? That's it!
Tasty.
Oh, wow.
Tasty.
Wow! Oh no! This doesn't look good! I knew it! Nose strips will do the trick. Let's wait. Thank you so much!
You look amazing. For Poppy's eye bags, we're gonna use some eye masks. One on the right eye, and another one on the left. While it's on, we're gonna give it a massage.
We just have to wait.
2, 3.
Time for us to remove the
Eye masks. Yay!
Tasty. Tasty.
Wow, fabulous!
Now, lip care. Perfect! We just have to wait. And done! Awesome! Rumi has bushy eyebrows.
What do you think, Rumi? I hate this. Calm down, Rumi.
Using the tweezers, now let's shape those eyebrows nicely. Sorry, Rumi. There's a lot of them. Ouch! Your eyebrows will be prettier. Thank you, guys. Oh, facial wash.
Keeping clean.
Shake.
Okay, resetting. Let's go. It's adventure time.
Rub it well till it's foamy. Much better.
Well done. Nothing beats a happy ending.
No, wait.
Oh my gosh, you need to do your makeup right now.
All right.
Don't worry.
Wow, what's this? Face powder. Lipstick. Eyeshadow compact. Contact lens. Eyebrow pencil. Need some brushes. Mascara. It's makeup time.
Let's go. Wow.
Face powder. What's missing? Yes! Cool. It even comes with a cute powder puff. Perfect! Cool. Ooh, it smells so good. And it makes you look awesome too.
I love it.
We need contact lens.
Okay, let's go.
My king is waiting for me. Wow, contact lenses.
We did
try it on.
Now Rumi's gonna wear her purple contact.
So pretty.
Tough choice.
Wow, excellent choice.
An eyeshadow palette. Wow, the shade suits you very well. Now on the other eye.
Wow.
Wow, a mascara tube. Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty.
Oh.
Now on the other eye for long lashes. That's awesome! Look, it's a volumizing mascara for Rumi's lashes.
We did it! Let's begin by fixing Rumi's eyebrows using eyebrow pencil. Wow, perfect!
Nice!
For Rumi's lips, let's put on some lip gloss.
Wow, shiny and pink.
Good.
I love it!
Good.
We need some clothes.
Okay then, a golden gown for Rumi.
Do you like it? I love it so much! Oh, so pretty! Now the matching gloves! The dainty earrings next.
None. I have no hair. No, not this one.
What do you think, Rumi? I hate this. I love it. These shades? Now, matching clip.
Ta-da! Wow! Oh, wow! Thank you so much! Hello, guys! Put a thumbs up to help Rumi and Twin, please! Thank you, guys! Oh, wow!